Pioneer Bluetooth connection problems often stem from a few key issues. These include outdated firmware on your Pioneer device, Bluetooth incompatibility between devices, especially with older Pioneer models, interference from other wireless devices, or simple pairing errors. This section will explore these common causes. First, many connection issues occur because the firmware on your Pioneer device is outdated. Firmware is the software built into your device that controls how it operates. Updates fix bugs and improve Bluetooth compatibility with modern phones and tablets. Second, Bluetooth incompatibility is common with older Pioneer models. These devices may use Bluetooth 4.0 or earlier, while modern phones support Bluetooth 5.4. This version gap can prevent stable connections and cause frequent disconnections. Third, wireless interference from other devices can disrupt Bluetooth connections. Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and cordless phones operate on similar frequencies as Bluetooth, causing signal interference that leads to dropped connections or poor audio quality. Fourth, simple pairing errors are a common cause of connection problems. This happens when the pairing process isn't followed correctly, such as entering the wrong PIN code or not enabling Bluetooth on both devices in the right sequence. These are the main reasons why your Pioneer Bluetooth might not be connecting. The following sections will provide step-by-step troubleshooting guides to help you resolve each of these issues. The first fundamental fix is to power cycle both your Pioneer device and your smartphone or audio source. Simply turn off both devices, wait about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This clears temporary glitches in the connection. Next, clear the paired device list on your Pioneer unit. Access the Bluetooth settings menu and remove any previously connected devices from the list. This ensures a fresh start for pairing. Then, reinitiate the pairing process. Enable pairing mode on your Pioneer device and have your smartphone search for and connect to it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Ensure both devices are within 10 meters of each other and free from obstructions. Bluetooth signals can be blocked by walls, metal objects, or other electronic devices, so position them in an open area. For iOS devices, try toggling airplane mode on and off. Access Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap the airplane icon to enable it. Wait 10 seconds, then tap again to disable. This refreshes Bluetooth connections. For Android devices, disable battery optimization for the Pioneer app if applicable. Open Settings, go to Apps, locate the Pioneer app, and turn off battery optimization to prevent the system from limiting Bluetooth connections. Outdated firmware is a common culprit behind Bluetooth connectivity problems in Pioneer devices. These updates address bugs in the Bluetooth stack and improve overall stability. To check for updates, visit Pioneer's official website or download the Pioneer mobile app. Both provide access to the latest firmware for your specific model. These firmware updates often include crucial improvements to the Bluetooth stack, which is the software that handles wireless connections. They also fix bugs that cause pairing failures or dropped connections. Download and install the latest firmware by following Pioneer's detailed instructions. These updates are designed to be user-friendly, but require careful attention to avoid interruption. Many newer Pioneer models receive these updates over the air, meaning they download and install automatically through your internet connection, requiring no manual intervention. Bluetooth devices communicate using specific profiles that define how they work together. For audio devices like Pioneer receivers, the most important profiles are A2DP for high-quality audio streaming and AVRCP for remote control functions like play, pause, and volume. Compatibility is crucial for Bluetooth connections. Your Pioneer device and the audio source, like a smartphone, must both support the same profiles. For example, if your phone uses A2DP, but the Pioneer receiver doesn't support it, the connection will fail. Codec compatibility can also cause issues. Older Pioneer units from before 2020 often use the basic SBC codec, which may not work well with modern devices that support advanced codecs like aptX or aptX Adaptive. This mismatch can lead to poor audio quality or failed connections. When Bluetooth compatibility problems can't be resolved, a wired connection provides a reliable alternative. Using a cable ensures consistent audio streaming without the limitations of wireless profiles and codecs. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is the same frequency used by many other wireless devices. This shared frequency can cause interference from Wi-Fi routers operating on 2.4 GHz networks, microwaves, and even other Bluetooth devices nearby. To reduce interference, move your Pioneer device away from potential sources like routers and microwaves. Physical separation can significantly improve connection stability. If possible, switch your Wi-Fi router to operate on 5 GHz channels instead of 2.4 GHz. This reduces congestion on the frequency band that Bluetooth uses, minimizing interference and improving connection reliability. Remember that different wireless frequencies have different ranges and are affected by interference in unique ways. Understanding this helps optimize your Bluetooth connections. Some Pioneer models, like the AVH 3500X from the 2025 update, offer an enhanced stability mode in their settings. Enabling this mode optimizes Bluetooth pairing for high-interference environments. To access these settings, navigate through your device's menu. Here's an example of a settings menu on a Pioneer AVH model. For Bluetooth-specific settings, look for options in the Bluetooth connection menu, such as PIN code entry. Explore the settings menu on your Pioneer device to see if enhanced stability mode or similar options are available. Experiment with different configurations to optimize your Bluetooth connection. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset on your Pioneer device. This will revert the unit to its original settings and clear any corrupted data. Consult your Pioneer device's manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset. In some stubborn cases, users have found success by using a wired adapter for the initial setup before switching to Bluetooth. This approach can bypass initial connection issues. The future of Bluetooth connectivity in Pioneer devices looks promising. Pioneer plans to incorporate Bluetooth LE audio in future models, promising better group audio and lower power use. Regularly check Pioneer's support site and user forums for updates, known issues, and community-driven solutions. Proactive maintenance is key to ensuring a seamless Bluetooth experience.